Alright, so this is a 2009 Grizzly 700. This goes also for the Rhino 700. I don't know what year the Rhinos, but so there's a known problem with the reverse gear. The gear actually will back off. The problem is this snap ring will come out of its slot there. It'll back off and the gear will ride back and you'll lose your reverse. So there's an update for it. Instead of having a snap ring retaining it, there's this spacer, and that'll go, it comes with a rust washer, so you have one here, and that'll just take place of it. And there's no way this gear will back off, because when this case is assembled, this will go right into its home down here, and that spacer will keep the gear from walking. And it's a genuine Yamaha part. The Yamaha, here's the part number for that update kit. Unfortunately, you got to split the case and completely disassemble the motor to install it, but it's definitely worth it.